Hello and welcome back to the Sharpening Stone. Today, we've got a special one. We're going to be sharpening a spear. The only thing that really needs to be sharpened on this is the tip. So, should be easy. We'll see right now. Alright, and for our test today, we have another piece of the old couch. So, let's get to it. 3, 2, 1. Probably not the test you were expecting with a spear, but it works. Let me know what you guys think down below if you think it was a good test. Otherwise, I hope you have a great day. Hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you again tomorrow.